Hello viewers, in today's video we'll explore a step-by-step guide on how to connect a VPN to your Windows PC. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the Chrome Web Store by following these simple steps. Begin by searching for Touch VPN and add it to your Chrome extensions. Once added, please wait for a moment until the installation is complete. Now you are free to use Touch VPN anytime and access websites that may be restricted in your country. To connect to Touch VPN, click on the extension icon in your Chrome browser's toolbar. From the drop-down menu, select your desired server location for the VPN connection. This will help you bypass geographical restrictions and protect your online privacy. Once connected, you will notice a green padlock icon indicating a secure connection. Now, you can browse the web with enhanced privacy and access content that might be unavailable in your region. Finally, it's all set and ready to use. Enjoy the benefits of a VPN on your Windows PC and ensure a secure and unrestricted internet experience. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.